Good day, Buccaneers. If you are watching this video and you're getting this message, it is because you, unfortunately, were not successful in marking period 1 in one of your core classes. So that's English, math, science, or social studies. The reason why you have this video is because we are inviting you and really wanting you to give an opportunity to you to make sure that you recover the bad grade that you had in marking period 1. And you guys are going to complete the Edgenuity program that our district has worked so hard to come up with, so that way you guys can get the help that you need to be successful. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your MySpring ISD account and log in. Okay? Once you log in there, you're going to go to Edgenuity. I'll show you what it is. Okay, so once you have this, okay, once you are on your Spring portal, you're going to see this, and wherever this instructional, you click on instructional and you will find Edgenuity. Okay, once you click Edgenuity, it's going to bring you to the site. Now, it should automatically give you the classes that you were registered in. That means that you were not successful in these classes during marking period 1. Okay, and these are the two things that, if you have this on yours, is the two things that you got to make sure you get done. Now, some of you guys will probably only have just one. Some of you may have 3. Some of you may have 4. It all just depends how many classes it is that you were not successful in on marking period 1. Now, I would strongly suggest that you handle both of these, manage your time, because you understand, please remember this, you only have 2 weeks to finish these cores. Once you're done with those 2 weeks, then the grade that you get is what you're going to get as a replacement to your bad grade that you had originally. The maximum you can get, though, is a 70, okay? The maximum that you can get is a 70, but that just ensures that you are passing that particular 6 weeks. Okay, again, the biggest thing is for you to remember is that you only have 2 weeks to complete your course, okay? And I said already, we will replace your grades once you complete the program. And I want you to know this. Please ask for help. Stay for tutorials. We have morning and afternoon tutorials available for you. We got Mr. Rosas, Ms. Brown, Ms. Diamond Hall, Ms. Nakia Johnson. We have a lot of Mr. Woodley. We have a lot of Mr. Boudreau. We have a lot of teachers that are there willing to help you. We have some English teachers and science teachers. Everybody that is willing to help you and is available to help you, but you have to do your part and ask for help. Okay, we will follow up with you, but ultimately it is up to you as a student to ensure that you make this thing up, maximize your opportunity. Remember, ask for help from your teachers if you have to. You have to, students, you have to ask for help if you're stuck. This is designed to be a very easy course for you to do well in, but you have to do the work. We'll be reminding your parents. We'll be constantly emailing your parents to let them know to help you out. Follow through. And again, the magic date is March the 12th. That is the March the 12th is the deadline for marking period 1. So you have to complete your courses by March 12th. Okay? I hope I'm clear enough with that. We have given you plenty of opportunity. This is one more opportunity for you to make up your grade and to learn the content that you missed. Okay? Those are the twofold process: to learn the content that you missed, and in the process, hopefully make up the grade that you want to have, so that way you can do better in the class. Again, it's due in 2 weeks. March 12th is the date. How to get there is you go to my Spring ISD portal and go to Edgenuity. You go here, and Edgenuity is on instructional, Edgenuity, and this is how it's going to look like. And you click on it, and it'll follow you through. Okay? And it's already telling you have overdue activities. It's going to remind you the whole time to get it going. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, always reach out to me or to your grade level principals, okay? Or your teacher, for that matter, your regular classroom teacher. They know what to expect. They know how to help you. Other than that, have a great day.